Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and of course with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a very spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. On either side, you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, as well as a 12-volt power outlet. And on the opposite side, you have the power button for your rear cargo lights that can be articulated to shine where you need them. And then underneath the rugged cargo floor, you have your spare full-size tire with extra room around for other equipment. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with fold-out armrests and two cup holders, as well as having a USB and USB-C down there. And the backs of the seats have zippered pouches for storage and molly rigging for hooking equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen where you can cycle through your My View with a digital speedometer, driver assistance features and settings, navigation, now playing, phone controls, further information about the vehicle, and your trip information. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology and adaptive steering, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stalk. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, and moving down you have your media controls, auto start, stop, shut off, and hazards. You have a tray beneath that, and moving down further you have your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay warm. Beneath that you have a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. You also have a 12-volt USB and USB-C, so you can plug something into power from there. Then you have your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then, last but not least, you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious with another USB and USB-C inside. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.